Hello and welcome back, everybody. If you're getting this permission requirement message on your screen when you are trying to access the folder which says you require permission from system to make changes to the folder on Windows, you may follow up these steps in order to fix it. So for that, we can start by going ahead and run File Explorer as an administrator. We can just go over and search for File Explorer. Right click on it, and you may just go over and run it as administrator. So you can just go over and find your File Explorer. For example, this is the one. And you just need to select the option of run it as administrator. And once you access your File Explorer, you can just go over and try deleting, renaming, or moving the folder again. Apart from that, you can take the ownership of the folder. So you can go over to folder, and once you find the folder, you can right click on it, go to the properties option, and within properties, you can go over to the security tab. And within security, you can just go over and look out for the advanced tab. And within advanced, you just need to go over, and at the top of the screen, you should be finding option for owner. You can just go over and, give access for that. And you can select up your administrator. And within your administrator, you can add up name and everything. And you can just go over and replace the owner. And click on apply and close the windows and reopen the properties to refresh it again. And you can do so. You just need to go to advanced and, give inheritance. After this is done, you can close this up. And the next thing we can do is we can give ourselves full permissions. So you can just go over to the folder. And then once you find your folder, right click on it, select the option of properties. Within properties, go to the security section once again. And within security, go to the administrator section. And within administrator, you can just go over and take the option of full control, make sure this one is allowed, and click on apply and click on OK. And close this up right here. Apart from that, what we can do is we can close the apps that may be using the folder. You can restart your PC for that. Go ahead and access your PC. Go ahead and look out for restart option and select it. Once task selected, you can go over to the task manager. You can search for task manager and open it up. Once you open up your task manager, you can go to the processes tab. And within processes tab, you can just go over and end the programs that are using the folder. You can right click on the folder, select the option of end task, and end that particular program that is using the folder. And that's it. You can even boot in safe mode. So that is it, everybody. You may follow up this method for that. Make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.